You know, people often think of math as this cold, rigid subject, all numbers and formulas, no room for creativity or emotion, but that's just not true. Some of the most captivating stories I've ever encountered are deeply intertwined with mathematical concepts. Math-inspired novels, biographies, even plays, they offer this unique blend of storytelling and intellectual exploration. Imagine diving into the mind of a brilliant mathematician, grappling with complex theorems, or uncovering the secrets hidden within numerical patterns. That's what we're doing today, folks. Join me as we journey through 19 must-read books that will ignite your imagination and make you appreciate the elegance and wonder of mathematics in a whole new light. We're kicking things off with a classic, A Beautiful Mind. Now, even if you haven't read the book, you've probably seen the Oscar-winning film starring Russell Crowe. This is the story of John Nash, a mathematical prodigy who made groundbreaking contributions to game theory, a field with applications in economics, politics, even evolutionary biology. But Nash's brilliance was intertwined with a heartbreaking struggle with schizophrenia. Nassar doesn't shy away from the complexities of his condition. We see Nash at his highest highs, grappling with profound mathematical concepts, and at his lowest lows, lost in the labyrinth of his own mind. This book isn't just about math, it's about the human spirit, the resilience of the mind, and the power of human connection. It's a reminder that even in the face of immense challenges, the human mind is capable of extraordinary things. Next up, we have a novel that beautifully blends love, philosophy, and, of course, mathematics. A certain ambiguity takes us on a journey with a young man trying to make sense of his feelings for a woman, all while grappling with complex mathematical ideas. The story unfolds through letters and dialogues exploring the nature of proof, the existence of infinity, even the role of mathematics in understanding the universe. It's a thought-provoking read that will stay with you long after you finish the last page. What I love about this book is how it highlights the interconnectedness of seemingly disparate fields. We often compartmentalize knowledge, but a certain ambiguity reminds us that the pursuit of love, the search for truth, and the exploration of the cosmos are all intertwined. Now, for those of you who enjoy delving into the mind of a mathematician, G.H. Hardy's A Mathematician's Apology is an absolute gem. This slim volume is Hardy's personal reflection on the beauty and significance of pure mathematics. Don't let the title fool you, it's not an apology in the traditional sense. Hardy passionately argues for the intrinsic value of mathematics, even if it doesn't have immediate practical applications. He compares the work of a mathematician to that of an artist or a poet, emphasizing the creativity and elegance inherent in mathematical thinking. This book offers a rare glimpse into the mind of a mathematical genius, revealing the motivations, the aesthetics, and even the anxieties that drive a life devoted to the pursuit of mathematical truth. Let's switch gears a bit and talk about a play, Arcadia by Tom Stoppard. Now, I know what you're thinking, a play about math? Trust me on this one. Arcadia is a brilliant, witty, and surprisingly accessible exploration of chaos theory, determinism, and the interconnectedness of knowledge. The play jumps between two timelines, the early 19th century and the present day, both taking place in the same English country house. We see characters grappling with ideas that were centuries ahead of their time, exploring themes of love, loss, and the limits of human understanding. It's a play that will make you think, laugh, and maybe even shed a tear or two. Now, for all you science fiction fans out there, Anathem by Neal Stephenson is a must-read. This epic novel takes place on a planet called Arbra, where intellectuals live in secluded monastic communities called maths. Stevenson creates a richly imagined world where mathematics, philosophy, and theology are deeply intertwined. The story follows a young novice named Erasmus as he uncovers ancient secrets and confronts a threat to his world. Anathem is a dense but rewarding read packed with mind-bending concepts and philosophical discussions. It's a book that will stay with you long after you've finished it, prompting you to question the nature of reality, the limits of knowledge, and the power of human curiosity. Next up, we have a classic that's as relevant today as it was when it was first published in 1884. Flatland by Edwin A. Abbott is a satirical novella that takes us on a journey through a two-dimensional world. The story is narrated by a square who lives in this flat plane of existence. He encounters beings of different dimensions, from lines to circles to spheres, and struggles to comprehend the reality of a world beyond his own. Flatland is a clever and thought-provoking exploration of dimensionality, societal hierarchy, and the limits of perception. Chapter 7. Fermat's Enigma, the epic quest to solve the world's greatest mathematical problem by Simon Singh. Let's dive into the world of number theory with Simon Singh's Fermat's Enigma. This gripping book tells the story of Fermat's last theorem, a seemingly simple mathematical problem that baffled mathematicians for centuries. Singh takes us on a journey through history, introducing us to the brilliant minds who dedicated their lives to solving this enigma. We witness their triumphs, their failures, and their unwavering determination to crack the code. What I love about this book is how it captures the thrill of the chase in mathematical discovery. It's a reminder that mathematics is not a static subject but a living, breathing field with its own mysteries, rivalries, and moments of pure exhilaration. Chapter 8. Proof by David Auburn. Next up we have a Pulitzer Prize-winning play that explores the intersection of mathematics, family, and mental illness. Proof by David Auburn tells the story of Catherine, a young woman who has cared for her brilliant but mentally ill father, a renowned mathematician. When her father dies, Catherine is left to grapple with her own mathematical potential, her grief, and the arrival of her estranged sister. The play centers around a groundbreaking mathematical proof that may or may not have been written by Catherine's father. Proof is a powerful and moving exploration of inheritance, both genetic and intellectual. It raises questions about the nature of genius, the burdens of legacy, and the challenges of navigating the complexities of family relationships. Chapter 9. The Eight by Catherine Neville. Let's switch gears again with a historical thriller that will keep you on the edge of your seat. The Eight by Catherine Neville is a fast-paced adventure that spans centuries and continents. The story revolves around a mysterious chess set said to hold a powerful mathematical code. We follow two protagonists, one in 18th century France and the other in present-day New York, as they race against time to unravel the secrets of the chess set. The Eight is a thrilling blend of history, mystery, and, of course, mathematics. It's a book that will appeal to those who love a good puzzle and enjoy stories that weave together different time periods and cultures. Now, for all you mystery lovers out there, The Girl with the Dragon Tattoo by Stieg Larsson is a must-read. This international bestseller introduces us to Lisbeth Salander, a brilliant but troubled hacker with a photographic memory and a knack for solving complex codes. While not strictly a math book, Larsson weaves in elements of advanced mathematics and cryptography throughout the story. Lisbeth's mathematical prowess plays a crucial role in her investigations, helping her to uncover hidden truths and bring criminals to justice. This book is a thrilling ride from start to finish, with complex characters, intricate plots, and a healthy dose of social commentary. Let's take a break from the thrillers and delve into a heartwarming story about the power of human connection. The Housekeeper and the Professor by Yoko Ogawa is a beautifully written novel that explores the unlikely bond between a brilliant mathematician, a housekeeper, and her young son. The professor, who suffers from a rare form of amnesia that limits his short-term memory to 80 minutes, finds solace in the world of numbers. The housekeeper and her son, drawn into his world, discover the beauty and wonder of mathematics through his eyes. This book is a testament to the enduring power of human connection, the beauty of simplicity, and the way that mathematics can transcend barriers and create unexpected bonds. Next up, we have a historical novel based on the life of the extraordinary Indian mathematician Srinivasa Ramanujan. The Indian Clerk by David Levitt tells the story of Ramanujan's journey from obscurity in India to Cambridge University, where he collaborated with the renowned mathematician G.H. Hardy. The novel beautifully captures the cultural clashes, the academic rivalries, and the profound mathematical breakthroughs that mark this extraordinary period in mathematical history. We see Ramanujan's struggles with prejudice, his unwavering faith in his mathematical abilities, and his remarkable contributions to number theory. Let's venture back into the realm of science fiction with The Last Theorem by Arthur C. Clarke and Frederik Pohl. This intriguing novel takes inspiration from the life and work of Srinivasa Ramanujan, weaving a fictional tale around his legendary mathematical insights. The story follows a young Sri Lankan mathematician who claims to have rediscovered a lost notebook of Ramanujan's, containing groundbreaking mathematical ideas. As he delves deeper into the notebook, he uncovers secrets that could change the world. The Last Theorem is a thought-provoking blend of science fiction, mathematics, and social commentary. Now for a glimpse into the life of one of the most prolific and eccentric mathematicians of all time, check out The Man Who Loved Only Numbers. The story of Paul Erdos and the Search for Mathematical Truth by Paul Hoffman. Erdos was a mathematical nomad, traveling the world and collaborating with countless mathematicians on a wide range of problems. He lived a life devoted entirely to mathematics, eschewing material possessions and social conventions in his relentless pursuit of mathematical truth. This book is more than just a biography. It's a fascinating exploration of the mathematical mind, the culture of mathematics, and the enduring allure of unsolved problems. If you're looking for a visually stunning and accessible introduction to the world of mathematics, the math book by Clifford A. Pickover is an excellent choice. This beautifully illustrated book takes you on a chronological journey through 250 milestones in mathematical history. From ancient counting systems to modern chaos theory, Pickover covers a wide range of mathematical concepts in an engaging and easy-to-understand way. Each milestone is accompanied by vivid illustrations, historical anecdotes, and thought-provoking quotes. This book is a treasure trove of mathematical curiosities, a perfect coffee table book for math enthusiasts and anyone interested in exploring the beauty and wonder of numbers. Let's return to the world of mystery with The Oxford Murders by Guillermo Martinez. This intellectual thriller takes place in the hallowed halls of Oxford University, where a series of murders rocks the academic community. A young Argentine mathematician finds himself caught up in the investigation, using his knowledge of logic and mathematics to decipher clues and unmask the killer. The novel explores themes of mathematical obsession, the limits of reason, and the dark side of academia. Now, for something a little different, check out The Simpsons and Their Mathematical Secrets by Simon Singh. This fun and insightful book explores the surprisingly sophisticated mathematical jokes and references hidden throughout the long-running animated sitcom, The Simpsons. Singh reveals that many of the show's writers have backgrounds in mathematics and computer science, and they've been sneaking in mathematical Easter eggs for years. From Fermat's Last Theorem to Euler's identity, you'll be amazed at the depth and breadth of mathematical concepts embedded in this iconic show. This book is a testament to the fact that math can be found in the most unexpected places, and that even a cartoon can be a vehicle for exploring complex mathematical ideas. Let's delve into the world of literary fiction with The Solitude of Prime Numbers by Paolo Giordano. This poignant novel tells the story of two characters, Alice and Mattia, whose lives are touched by tragedy and who share a profound connection to prime numbers. Giordano uses prime numbers as a metaphor for loneliness, isolation, and the search for connection. The novel explores themes of loss, trauma, and the challenges of human relationships. The Solitude of Prime Numbers is a beautifully written and emotionally resonant novel that will stay with you long after you've finished reading it. Finally, we have Uncle Petros and Goldbach's Conjecture by Apostolos Dokiadis. This captivating novel tells the story of Uncle Petros, a mathematical prodigy who dedicates his life to proving Goldbach's conjecture, one of the oldest and most famous unsolved problems in number theory. The story is narrated by Petros's nephew, who becomes fascinated by his uncle's obsession and the allure of this mathematical enigma. The novel explores themes of ambition, failure, and the seductive nature of mathematical truth. Uncle Petros and Goldbach's Conjecture is a must-read for anyone who's ever been captivated by a puzzle or wondered what drives mathematicians to dedicate their lives to solving the universe's greatest mysteries. So there you have it, folks. 19 books that offer a glimpse into the fascinating world of math-inspired literature. From heart-wrenching biographies to mind-bending sci-fi, these books prove that mathematics is anything but dry or inaccessible. These stories remind us that math is a language, a tool for understanding the universe, and a source of endless wonder. Whether you're a seasoned mathematician or someone who shies away from numbers, these books offer something for everyone. So pick up a copy, dive in, and prepare to be amazed by the beauty, the elegance, and the sheer power of mathematics. You might just find yourself looking at the world in a whole new light.